Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to log out of Upwork, whether you're finishing up your work for the day or simply want to secure your account. Logging out properly is a quick and essential step. Let's walk through it together. First, open your web browser and navigate to Upwork.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. This will bring you to your Upwork dashboard where you can manage your project's messages and profile. Now, let's pretend you're done using Upwork for the day. Maybe you've submitted all your proposals, responded to client messages, or finished reviewing job postings. Whatever the case, it's time to log out and secure your account. Look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there, which typically displays your profile picture or initials. This icon is your gateway to account settings and various profile options. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your account. From this menu, simply select Log Out. Clicking this option will immediately sign you out of your Upwork account and redirect you to the login page or Upwork's homepage. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of Upwork, ensuring your account is secure, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. This simple step protects your personal information and keeps your freelance work safe. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.